was, so CMB got it at a show, and they brought it back, and it was like, oh, we got an acoustic B bender.
Okay.
I'm like, what? Because I'd seen Trey Hensley play.
Yeah.
He's got one, and obviously Trey Hensley is
Right.
amazing.
Right.
So they were intending on selling this, but thankfully they changed their mind because this is too cool to sell.
Right.
You know, this is, you may never see one of these again, and it is installed by Gene Parsons. It's kind of hard to see. It is in there somewhere. You got to catch the light quite well. So the guitar, I think it's 64 dub, and then he installed it in 1995.
Oh wow. Okay.
Now, as to the rest of the history of it, we don't know. You know, but it's a lot of fun. Oh, what, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Wow, I'll do that again.
Oh my
So,
god.
there-
Dude. That was
Man.
incredible.
Oh, well, thank you. It's a lot of fun, but I mean, you can obviously do different things. Maybe did I country up the Beatles a little too much? I don't know, but